Welcome to my channel. This is where crochet becomes clear, structured, and something that you can grow in. I don't just teach patterns, I teach from experience, but foundations that grow real skill. What I share here has a deeper personal meaning. My creative passion started with me sitting beside my Nana Darlene. She taught me about patience, pride in my work, and how something so simple could be turned into something beautiful. That's the spirit of everything I create here. Whether you're learning your first chain stitch or you're ready to refine your shaping and tension and finishing, you belong here. That's why I created Darlene's Basic and Beyond crochet course. It's designed to take you from the basic crochet foundations all the way to confident, advanced technique. No guessing, no gaps, just clear progression. So subscribe, join the journey. Let's build your crochet skills the right way, together.